We're gonna troubleshoot why your gun might be leaking. So there's 3 places that your gun is most likely leaking from. It's going to be the inlet, the outlet, or the valve body. If it's leaking from the inlet, you're gonna wanna take this piece off and rewrap it with either thread lock, Teflon tape, some lock seal, something to just really tighten it up. When you're looking at an outlet leak, it's gonna be kind of common to the inlet where if you see your threads, it's leaking on the threads, you're gonna wanna put some more Teflon tape on, lock seal, Loctite, something along those lines. Or what you're gonna see is if you look on the inside of your quick connect, there's an O-ring. If you don't see the O-ring, that could be the cause of the issue. That is a culprit that we run into very frequently because you never notice when they just shoot off into the distance. And then the third place that your gun could be leaking from, the valve body. There's 3 main reasons it could be leaking from the valve body. The ball could be corroded on the inside. You could have debris stuck in the valve body, or if you live in a cold state like Minnesota, is a crack along the valve body. So